Looking to rent a 30-yard dumpster? Hi, I'm Mike from Dumpsters.com, here to walk you through the uses and features of this large-scale container. A 30 cubic yard dumpster can hold, you guessed it, 30 cubic yards of waste, which is equivalent to about 9 truck beds. Dumpster dimensions vary by manufacturer, but a typical 30-yarder is 22 feet long, 7.5 feet wide, and 6 feet tall. The 30-yard is made to handle sizable projects of all kinds, whether it be a home, business, or job site. It's great for when you're renovating, moving, or cleaning out just about any location. Best of all, its high walls give you plenty of room for several large items, with enough space for the rest of your stuff. So, when you have a project that requires a big cleanup, give us a call and rent a 30-yard dumpster from Dumpsters.com.